Need to fix the Crashhandler module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. To start the walkthrough for Crashhandler module, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Crashhandler module, a generic naming convention used by numerous third-party applications, from specialized web tools to CAD suites, to store their localized automated crash reporting logic. If missing, the app will crash silently without generating a report, making it impossible to diagnose recurring application hangs. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The Crashhandler module DLL library is bundled specifically for localized error reporting orchestration operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Crashhandler module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. A vital technical reminder: modifying Crashhandler module DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files. Your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Crashhandler module dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Crashhandler module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.